skin ever. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Niella, and we're back with another vlog. Today is Sunday. What's today's date? Anyways, okay, today is 16th because I know tomorrow is 17th. So today is 16th of May 2021. How are you guys doing? Hope you're doing great. I just uploaded my vlog for today after deleting like almost 25 videos from my video folder because I'm already running out of space. So it's going to be pretty difficult trying to keep up with vlogging on Sundays because I really don't use my camera. It's just a lot of work, so I just tend to use my phone. Unless I'm just going to up the storage for my iCloud, like increase it again and start to pay more money. Anyways, today I want to make bitter leaf soup. Yeah, Ofe Onugbu. So I feel like swallowing, and I've not had it in like a year. So that's what I'm going to make today, and the stew for last week still remaining. So I'm going to be boiling rice. My turkey is already on the instant pot. Let me show you guys. So it's already done cooking. You can see it's on low for 3 minutes now. I'm just going to go unplug it and let it just depressurize on its own without using power. So this is my bitter leaf. Okay, it's different than this one. So this one is the one my mom made for me. Like, she washed it herself and dried it, and this one is one of the ones we bought from the market the year we were coming. So this is from last year's package. This is from 2 years ago. It's so bitter, but I just want to get rid of it. That's why I had to put it here, and it's not so much so it doesn't ruin my soup for me. So I've just been soaking it in hot water because it's really hard. So I'm just going to start to cook it. That way it helps reduce how bitter it will be in the soup. And this is my beef, and this is my ogiri. So when I start cooking now, I'll just prep everything. I'll probably just show you guys how I cook it. Yeah, so I'll get this ready, cook the beef, and just show you guys from the pot. So guys, this is the bitter leaf. You guys can tell from it. The darker one is the one from the market people back home in Nigeria, and the greener one is the one my mom washed herself. You guys can tell from the color is different, and I was able to get both of them soft. Well, my mom's one, I really didn't need to do a lot of work, but the other one I had to do so much work on it. So my it's just that the thing they take time to cook, but I know the secret. You soak it inside water overnight. If not, oh well, we have instant pots, so no shaking. Instant pot to cook it. So guys, I'm going to be taking Ofe, and this is going to serve as my thickener. So I'm just going to be mixing it with oil, and the thing we're using Ofe is try to mix like a little at a time, because when it becomes too thick, I don't think you like it. You will just feel like pap that has coagulated. So that's how it usually looks like in the soup, but just, you know, take little by little at a time. And that's what I did. The first time it felt like, okay, this wasn't enough, then I went ahead and mixed another one with, you know, a little more oil, and I think I got the consistency I wanted, like the thickening consistency I wanted when I tried to, you know, mix it the second time. So the trick is mix a little at a time, so that you don't, you know, that way you're able to manage it and get the original consistency you want.
Oh baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Look, baby, look, baby, you be look, baby, look, baby. What have you done to me? Oh, got me chasing after you. What have you done to me, my Bella? Got me chasing after you. Yeah. Oh yeah, talk to me, oh mama. Ballroom, so me die with you. Oh. Baby, all I seek, I find it in you. You. All I seek, I find it in you. And I'm falling for you, falling, yeah. And I'm calling to you, calling, yeah. Oh baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Said I'm getting addicted, oh no. I'm getting addicted to you. Said I'm getting addicted, oh no. I'm getting addicted to you. Oh baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Look, baby, look, baby, you be look, baby, look, baby. What have you done to me? Oh, got me.
Can your skin ever So guys, I just had my bath not too long ago. I already did my nighttime skincare routine. I think the time is past 7. I don't know what the time is, but guys, can you take a moment to appreciate this skin, this glowing skin? Like, ooh. Girl, oh my god, yeah, I know. Thank you. My skin is glowing. Thank you. I got it from God. Anyway, so I had the onugbu soup the way I wanted to. Like, I made it the way, in fact, the way I envisioned it in my head, or the way I had imagined it, was actually the way it turned out. And I just decided to have that so that I could just wash off all the ogili smell from my body and also from my mouth, and brush my teeth again. And yeah, so I'll probably just end this vlog here. I don't think there's anything else I would want to do. I really need to rest. I didn't end up cooking, like I didn't finish cooking early like I would have wanted to, but I hope you guys learned one thing or two. The trick, let me just move away from the sun just a little bit, but it's kind of dark, so you guys may not really see my face. Okay, so the trick for me with really hard bitter leaf has to be soaking it a day before you want to use it. So not like overnight, not soaking it in the night, the night before, like soaking it during the day, like soaking it with hot water, like really hot water, and keep changing the water, because we know that this bitter leaves, this dry bitter leaves we buy from the market, they don't really wash it very well. And it will also help you, sand the inside, So just to help to soften it so that it's not as hard as it would normally be. If you remember, try to change the water, like hot water. When it gets cold, you change it to another hot water. When it gets cold, you change it into a different hot water, or you pour another hot water inside it. Then you can just leave it overnight, and the next morning you can do the same thing, because I can't remember, maybe like 2 or 3 times before I went to bed last night. That was when I changed. That's how many times I poured hot water into it. And today I did that twice this morning when I woke up before I cooked it. So I did it twice and I cooked it twice. The one my mom made for me, because I had one, my mom, the part of the things she sent to me last year, you guys have seen that video, she washed it herself, and my mom washes it in a very different way. So I didn't really need to manipulate it the way I manipulated the other ones. You guys saw that there was a difference in the color. So my mom's one, I really didn't do much this morning. I don't think I soaked it. I think I just soaked it once with hot water, and I just cooked it once. The cooking once was just called webolo, because obuna me see here onwe here me okay very soft, and mofe. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next one. I hope you enjoy this one, and thank you so much for always watching my Sunday vlogs. Have yourself a fabulous day. Bye guys.